video, we are going to see about the Great Blue Hole. The Great Blue Hole is a tremendous underwater cave that is located off the coast of Belize and lies near the center of Lighthouse Reef. The actual name of the Great Blue Hole was created by British diver and author Ned Middleton after having lived in Belize for 6 months. And the curiosity doubles when one hears that this blue hole was once an island. The Great Blue Hole lies 100 km off the coast of Belize in Central America. It is round in shape with a distinct color measuring 300 meter across and 108 meter in depth. The Great Blue Hole, which was once an island, is a result of the geological factors. Few thousand years ago, during the Ice Age, the sea level was much lower. Limestone rocks were found below the island, which dissolved in rain and groundwater. Over a period of time, this process formed hollow places or caves below the Earth's surface. The roof of the cave became so thin that it crumpled, creating a vast sinkhole. When the Ice Age ended, glaciers melted and sea levels rose. As a result, the entire cave system beneath flooded. This cave, when viewed from above, has a dark blue tinge color because of its depth. It can be easily distinguished in contrast to the shallow aqua blue water of its surroundings. The stalactites and stalagmites are huge and measure 9 to 12 meters in length. The Great Blue Hole is deep and considered as one of the top 10 best diving spots in the world. It is a section of the Belize Barrier Reef Reserve System, which is one of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, World Heritage Sites. The Great Blue Hole of Belize features more than 300 meters, that is 984 feet across, and 125 meters, that is 410 feet deep. Researchers consider Great Blue Hole is the largest of its kind and discovered huge stalactites, dripstone sheets as well as columns inside the blue hole. Water levels in the surrounding areas of the cave are so shallow where the coral often breaks the surface at low tide. The hole has got a great fan following in the world, and the Belize locals have a keen desire to have the hole anointed with the title of being one of the world's 7 wonders. The Discovery Channel in 2012 announced the Great Blue Hole as number 1 on its list of the 10 most amazing places on Earth. Researchers have suggested that this massive submarine cave was originally formed during the last glacial period. The uniqueness of the Belize Hole came to light first when the world-renowned explorer of the time, Jacques Cousteau, made a pioneering discovery about its depth offers with the help of his vessel, the Calypso, in the early 1970s. The French explorer had revealed the secrets of the marvelous blue hole to the world through a television series called The Undersea World of Jacques Cousteau. In addition, the studies were undertaken by the explorer and his crew initially suggested that the blue hole in Belize was a limestone cavern of the glacial era formed due to the shallowness of the water. Underneath the surface of the Belize blue hole, the explorers and researchers found evidence of the cavernous interior filled with stalactites. These stalactites acted as veritable proof for the explorer to conclude that the hole was indeed a shallow hole. The depth of the Great Blue Hole was initially measured as 125 meters, that is 410 feet, while another expedition conducted by the Cambrian Foundation claimed the depth as 124 meters, that is 407 feet in 1997. Meanwhile, the blue hole also offered researchers with evidence that helped them understand the mystery of the fall of the Mayan civilization. Researchers from Rice and Louisiana State Universities in a study published in 2015 have presented the evidence found in the cave, supporting the role of climate conditions that ended the civilization. The sediment and lagoon samples from the cave helped them to support theories that suggest there were fewer tropical cyclones and longer droughts than normal during the era of the Mayan decline. The blue hole in Belize is unlike any other swallow hole in the world and is regarded to be the world's biggest such marvel. Mr. Costello accorded the swallow hole the honor of being one of the world's top 10 zones for scuba diving enthusiasts. The moderate temperature of the country allows potential divers to penetrate the depth of the Belize hole all year round. Likewise, the complete absence of water, current, and acute temperature changes in the swallow hole allows divers to try and make a foray all year round. The normal temperature in the blue hole is reportedly about 76 Fahrenheit at 130 feet, with not much difference throughout the year. The description of the divers pointed the amazing beauty underneath the waters with those geological formations, and also suggested that the water becomes clearer when one goes deeper. On account of the intense depth of the hole, only experienced divers are advised to enter it. This is because only experienced divers can stabilize their body while deep diving and bringing themselves upwards. In addition to the crystal clear water that tempts divers, the reef surrounding the hole is home to many exotic fishes like the nurse-tail shark, reef shark, native to the Caribbean, and various other marine creatures. There have been reported sightings of several other species, including parrotfish, the bull shark, hammerheads, and other juvenile fish species. However, reports also suggested that marine life in the hole is relatively low, and most of the time species like sharks simply pass through. The Great Blue Hole of Belize also often witnesses accidents, including the death of divers. According to reports, several divers have so far lost their lives in the darkness of the blue hole for various reasons. Even though there are no currents in the blue hole, suggests that death occurs due to nitrogen narcosis as they go deeper. When divers cross 135 feet or more, according to reports, they start feeling numbing sensation or euphoria, eventually causing death. There are also stories of monsters in the Great Blue Hole of Belize doing rounds. A diving expedition from K.E. Colgar in the early 1970s claimed the presence monsters in the waters, saying that they had witnessed an apparition of a sea serpent. According to the claims, the sighted beast was 20 feet long and has red eyes. However, the claims could not give any other pieces of evidence rather than creating some apprehension in the minds of the divers, while a few suggested, pointing to the description, that the one they saw must be species like ribbonfish or oarfish. Ignoring such doubtful claims, thousands of divers visit the Great Blue Hole of Belize every year to explore the brilliance of nature. The blue hole is literally dangerous because of the three reasons why the blue hole is dangerous. First, the inexperience of the diver, water clarity, the presence of shark. Being an inexperienced diver is an issue in every blue hole. Even if blue holes are such, just as their name suggests, holes, they are still not the best spots to start diving. Blue holes are deep. The problem caused by this fact is that inexperienced divers tend to push too deep. Ego is our enemy in that case. You want to limit yourself. As a beginner, you do not want to go deeper than 20 meters. As a hardened diver, you can push up to 35 meters. Finally, as a certified diver, you can get up to 40 meters. Great Blue Hole is around 125 meters deep. Even professional divers can't reach the bottom of this blue hole. Really important to mention that the risk divers encounter in the Great Blue Hole of Belize are almost the same as the ones they encounter in other diving spots. Those risks are all related to the mindset of the diver. It is about making bad decisions such as going too deep, not checking equipment beforehand, panicking. Water inside the Great Blue Hole is crystal clear, meaning that it is harder to estimate distance. Crystal clear water can easily become a trap. If the water is clear, you will have trouble knowing how deep you are. Normally, you can feel how deep you are around you, but once again, if the water is clear, the distance shorten in your mind. There are 3 species of sharks in the Great Blue Hole: bull shark, Caribbean reef shark, hammerhead shark. It is really important to keep in mind that sharks very rarely attack humans. Why the Great Blue Hole is dangerous from the most to the least dangerous one? Even if you encounter a shark, the chances that it attacks you are low, but still the risk is present. Ignoring such doubtful claims, thousands of divers visit the Great Blue Hole of Belize every year to explore the brilliance of nature. Among all the most amazing places on earth, with all the wonders it offers, Great Blue Hole of Belize is truly a natural marvel. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.